Here's how to set up and use mobile hotspot on Android. Now, on your Android phone, you can always turn on a mobile hotspot. We need to get into your settings to do that. So open up the settings app. Keep in mind, not every single cell phone plan has the ability to have a mobile hotspot. Check your plan and check the data limits for that mobile hotspot. To turn it on, we're going to tap on connections here. And you can see Wi-Fi. We first need to turn off Wi-Fi because we're going to connect to your mobile data to be able to share that hotspot. After we've done that, you can see mobile hotspot and tethering. I can tap on that. And I can tap on mobile hotspot here. Now, of course, I could just turn this on and it will enable mobile hotspot. However, you might also want to go down and remember the network name and the password. You can also set a band if you wanted it to be 2.4 gigahertz or 5.0 gigahertz. And then you can, of course, set a one-time password as well. The other person, when they're going to connect to your mobile hotspot, will just go into their Wi-Fi. So just tap on Wi-Fi on that different device and just connect to your mobile hotspot as if you were just connecting to a normal Wi-Fi network.